show y'all how to make a. I'm about to show you all how to make a turmeric face mask. And first, I'm gonna start with 5 tablespoons. These are measurements. I'm just eyeballing it for real, but because it didn't really have like.
It basically go for what you know, but make sure you make enough.
Right. Yeah.
Like this don't either, for real.
Yeah, they don't have measurements. So I'm gonna do a good 5 tablespoons because this is for all 3 of us.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands.
These are the ones we put in there. It's all healthy stuff. It all gives a different what's the name?
Excuse me. Honey, I love honey, y'all. My middle name is Honey.
Sunflower oil, I've seen people use that for certain stuff.
But I'm only using a tablespoon of olive oil.
That's
1 tablespoon of honey. I might add 2. Should I do 2 tablespoons of honey? We gonna see. Now I gotta add milk. The honey good. Dad, leave it.
I'm just tight, man. That'd be a disaster. I watch my ass drop a whole thing of honey and roll it up for.
There's still some in here. I'm gonna let it go down.
You got 2 jellies?
This the milk you use in your silk.
Switch them, because this is milky. I need that.
1 tablespoon of milk. Then we go mix.
Put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice.
I'm gonna do another tablespoon of honey.
I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room. Would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for.
Next time I'll make it out
Yeah, I'm really just trying to get the consistency that I like. So I'm gonna see y'all when something on my face.
They're watching, but I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll.
2 hours later.
Okay, y'all, so I did make the hair mask. But those are the ingredients that you're gonna need to make the mask.
You can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas beat on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll sing my world with you. If you want to waste your time, waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. Giving you what you need. Waste your time with me. You could have all the space.
Vision in your senses that's in your legs. So you will always feel like motion. You'll feel like
Oh my god, y'all, it's so orange.
You keep your balance. You will actually feel like that you finna fall over a lot. And a lot of times people do fall over.
It looks like I got paint on my face.
You're out of balance the whole time. You have these little bitty hairs inside of the lymph fluid that actually stimulates this anionic
I'm gonna put some on the top of my eye.
really a disorder, or is
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in about 10 minutes. Hello. I'm gonna see y'all in 15 minutes.
We have to start changing.
Alright, y'all. So,
I put some spinach in there, all kinds of food. I put some tuna fish in there.
yeah, you nasty. Y'all, my teeth look so white. Are they white?
I'm gonna let y'all do my mask stomach.
Dad, is my face white? I mean, is my teeth white?
You ain't gonna wanna do it. You go do the mask stomach because she ain't gonna wanna do it.
Is my teeth
I
white?
already doing my hair. She gonna do your hair. You want me to do a mask? Yeah, and like, you got pretty teeth.
They white? Dang. So my dad I'm about to put the face mask on my dad. You gotta hold it right. You can't play Monopoly.
Okay.
It's more watery.
But life,
Probably because it was sitting out.
Monopoly is my life. I can't live without Monopoly.
Boy, if you don't
Put your hair back a little bit.
What,
'Cause it's dripping.
did you just drip that on these $500 shorts? What the fuck?
That was $500.
Hell yeah.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Start selling this shit.
Alright, y'all. We gonna be back.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
Dang, I forgot to take a picture with you, Dad. It's okay.
You can take a picture and then put it side by side. Like, you got my picture already.
That face mask did work.
I think it did. I'm always scanning y'all faces. I'm about to see it first word.
Ice cream. This gonna be the end of my video. This gonna be the end of my video. I'm only getting a little scoop because y'all, this is not healthy.
I like that hair.
Oh, it's nice and soft. That's all I want.
It's actually good.
Different.
It's good though.
It's very good.
It's different as heck.
This ain't cooking you.